Hello friends, welcome back to University GK. And today in this session, I'll try to make a complete analysis of the previous question paper for the LDA and COPIS examinations under Guwahati High Court, particularly from the year 2013. And along with the questions, I will have complete solutions of it, particularly from the general knowledge section for a previous question paper in 2013. As you all know that from Guwahati High Court, the categories of questions or a pattern of questions are asked from several sections. It include English as well. It include English. It include arithmetic as well. Arithmetic and reasoning as well. It include arithmetic and reasoning. It also include computer knowledge. It also include computer knowledge and along with the general knowledge section. So in 2013, what were the general knowledge questions that are included in the questions? I'll try to make a complete analysis and along with this complete solution. So moving ahead, let's try to find out the section of questions that are included in the general knowledge questions in the 2013 LD and COPIS examination. As you can see on the screen, from political science, 8 questions were asked; from world history, 1 questions; from general knowledge, sports and art and culture, 2 questions each were asked in the examination. From Assam GK, 3 questions; from award and honor section, it has included or it did include 1 question, and from current affairs only 1 questions were included. So as you can see, if you all add all the numbers of this, you will get 20 out of it. So that means 20 questions were asked in the 2013 LDN COPIS examination, particularly from the general general knowledge section. General knowledge section, that what we need to understand. From general knowledge section, how many questions were asked? 20 questions were asked out of 100. Out of 100, 20 questions were from general knowledge section. So I'll try to make, or I'll try to take all the questions along with analysis in my next part of this video. So let's take all the questions. First of all, who is known as the architect of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar is known also as the father of the Indian constitutions, and in India the Constitution Day is celebrated in which day? That is 26th of November. 26th of November. In 26th November, the Constitution Day is celebrated in India. So this is the important point that come out of this first question. Secondly, what is the name of the present Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court? So this question is from which year? This question is from 2013. So as far as 2013 is concerned, the Chief Justice was Adarsh Kumar Goyal. Chief Justice was Adarsh Kumar Goyal in 2021. In 2021, the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court is none other than Sudhanshu Dhulia. So Sudhanshu Dhulia is the present Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court. So this is the important point come out of this question, that is the present Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court. And as far as 81, that is the first question is concerned, the father of the Indian Constitution is B.R. Ambedkar, or the architect of the Indian Constitution is B.R. Ambedkar. And which day the Constitution Day is celebrated in India? That is important point come out of this question, that is 26th day of November. 26th day of November every year in India, the Constitution Day is celebrated. So these are important points we need to remember out of this. So let's take the next question, that is, who is known as the Kola Guru? So the correct answer is Bishnu Prasad Rava. Bishnu Prasad Rava is known as the Kola Guru in Assam. Kola Guru Bishnu Prasad Rava. This special title is given to whom? Given to Bishnu Prasad Rava. So next question, who wrote the Assamese novel Osimot Jar Heral Hima? So the correct answer is Kanchan Borua. Kanchan Borua. His original name Bhuban Mohan Borua. Bhuban Mohan. So the original name of Kanchan Borua is Bhuban Mohan Borua, and the novel this Osimot Jar Heral Hima is written under the pen name, that is Kanchan Borua. So this is the important questions that we need to remember out of this. So let's take next questions. Kudamkulam is in news for what? This question is asked, let me remind, in 2013. So it is from the current affairs section. The correct answer is for the local people opposing the setting up a nuclear power plant there. So in 2013 this question was asked, and presently the highest or the largest nuclear station in India. Largest nuclear station in India is none other than the Kudankulam nuclear power station. So it is situated in which state of India? It is in Tamil Nadu. It is in Tamil Nadu. It is in Tamil Nadu. So here this is the important point that come out of this question, that is what is the largest nuclear power station in India? The correct answer should be Kudamkulam nuclear power station. So it is in which state? It is in Tamil Nadu. So this is the important point come of the discussion. The correct answer is, that is for the local people opposing the setting of a nuclear power plant in 2013. So let's take next question. Entomology is the science that studies, the correct answer is insect. Entomology is a science that studies insects. So it is a part of zoology. It is a part of zoology. So this question is from the science section. This question is from the science section that we need to remember. So let's take next questions. Garampani is located. Garampani is located in Karbi Anglong. So it is the hot water spring you can find there in Garampani in the East Karbi Anglong district of Assam. East Karbi Anglong district of Assam. It is bordering Golaghat. It is in bordering Golaghat district of Assam. So Garampani is located in which district? That is in Karbi Anglong. So next question, for which of the following discipline Nobel Prize is awarded? Nobel Prizes award physics and chemistry. It is also included. Physiology or medicine included. Next question, that is next point is literature, peace and economics. It is also included as a part of discipline for a Nobel Prize. So the correct answers will be all of the above. So the correct answers will be all of the above. All the above mentioned disciplines are included as far as the Nobel Prize award is concerned. So these are important points that we need to remember. Let's take next questions. Hitler's parties, which came into power in 1993, is known as, the correct answer is Nazi Party. The correct answer is Nazi Party. It has other name which is known as National National Socialist Workers Party. National Socialist Workers Party. Another name for the Nazi Party is what? That is National Socialist Worker Party. So it is the political party formed by whom? Formed by Hitler in Germany. So let's take next question. The lead character in the film Bandit Queen is played by whom? It is played by Seema Biswas. So the film was released in 1994. The film was released in which year? In 1994, and the film won the 43rd in the 43rd National Film Award as the best film award as the best film award in 1995. In 1995, under that is National Film Award in India. So 43rd National Film Award in India. The film, that is Bandit Queen, won the Best Film Award in 1995. So let's take the next question. The members of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of how many years? The correct answer is 5 years. The number of Lok Sabha, that is MP, the number of member of parliament, that is MPs, have a term for office for how many years? That is 5 years. But As far as Rajya Sabha is concerned, the term of office is how many years? The term of office is 6 years. So these questions also asked in several examination. The term of the office of the Rajya Sabha member is how many years? The correct answer is 6 years. So as far as the Lok Sabha is concerned, it is how many years? It is 5 years. So this is an important point that come out of this discussion. Let's take the next question. The minimum age of voting in India. So the minimum age of voters in India is how many years? As this question is asked in 2013 age, the correct answer will be 18 years. So before it was how many years? Before it was 21 years. The voting age for the Indians is how many years? 21 years. But as far as the 2061st amendment, 61st amendment of Indian Constitution in 1988, it has altered the age from 21 to 18 years. So from 21 to 18 years in 61st amendment of the Indian Constitution, that is Article 326, after amending Article 326 in 1998, in 19 sorry not 1998, in 1988 the voting age of Indian is reduced to 18 from 21. So the correct answer here is how many years? The correct answer here is 18 years. It come into effect in which year? It comes into effect in 1988. So this is the important point we need to remember. After which amendment? After a 61st amendment of Indian Constitutions. After a 61st amendment of Indian Constitution, after amending article which one? After amending article 326. So this is important point that come out of the discussion, and we need to remember this point as well. So let's take another question. The position of a chief minister. The position of a chief minister is similar to that of prime minister, similar to that of president. This is wrong. Non-constitutional. It is also wrong. This is also wrong. A combination of a position of president and prime minister. This is also not correct. So the correct answer will be similar to that of the prime minister. The position of a chief minister and prime minister is almost or more or less similar. More or less similar. So let's take next question. That is, who won the men's French Open Championship this year? This year means this question is asked in which year? 2013. You need to remember. So the correct answers will be Rafael Nadal. The correct answers would be Rafael Nadal. So this is the important questions expected from from the upcoming exam as well. So questions may be expected out of the men's French Championship winners in 2021. So these questions may be asked. So you can find out in the later parts of my video. This expo section. I'll make it and you will come to know about it. Let's take next question, that is, who is known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answers will be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, Natya Shastra, the main source of Indian classical music, was written by whom? It was written by Bharat Muni. It was written by Bharat Muni. So the compilation of the Natya Shastra is believed to be completed between 200 BCE, between 200 BCE to between 200 BCE to 200 CE, that is Christian era. So this book is a religious book. Natya Shastra is a religious text, specially written in which language? Especially written in Sanskrit language. And it is about Hindu religion, and it is about performing arts. It also included performing arts. It is about performing arts, specially written in which language? Specially written in Sanskrit language. In between, as far as the compilation of this text is concerned, is believed to be completed between 200 BCE to 200 CE. And this was written by whom? It was written by Bharat Muni. That we need to remember. And in this Hindu religious text, Shiva, Lord Shiva has been considered as the Lord Shivaji is considered as the Lord of Dance. Lord of Dance. So this Naitya Shastra has how many chapters? It has 36 chapters. It has 36 chapters. So these are the important point then comes out of the discussion. We need to remember from we need to remember and also and also it has how many poetic verses? It has 6,000 poetic verses. It has 6,000 poetic verses about what? About the performing art. So these are the important points about Naitya Shastra that we need to understand and we need to remember. So the correct answer is Bharat Muni. So next question, the words Satyameva Jayate inscribed below the best flag emblem of India are taken from the correct answer is Mundak Upanishad. Mundak Upanishad. So the Satyameva Jayate is a national motto of India. Is a national motto of India. So we need to remember the national motto of India is Satyameva Jayate, and it was adopted in which year? It was adopted in 1950. It was adopted in 1950. That is 26 January. It was adopted in 1950 in 26 January. So this is the important point that come out of this question. The word Satyameva Jayate inscribed below the flag of the emblem of India is taken from which? It is taken from the Mundak Upanishad, and it is the national motto of India, Satyameva Jayate, and it was adopted in which year? It was adopted in 1950 on 26 January. So these are the important points that comes out of the discussions. So let's take next question. The national song of India. The national song of India was composed by whom? So the correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The national song of India was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So the national song is taken from which book? The national song is taken from the novel that is Anand Math. Taken from the novel that is Anand Math, written in which year? Written in 1882. So the novel Anand Math is written in 1882, and from this novel, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, from this novel of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, the national song of India is adopted. That is Vande Mataram. The national song of India is known as what? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. And this song is taken from which novel? It is Anand Math, which was written by whom? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882. And it was first sung in which year? It was first sung in 1896. It was first sung. The song Vande Mataram was first sung in 1896 session of INC. 1896 session of Indian National Congress by whom? By Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. The song was first sung in 1896 in the INC Congress session and was sung by whom? By Rabindranath Tagore. So these are the important points that come out of this question. That is, National Song of India was composed by whom? That is correct answer should be Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and it was the song was taken from his book, that is Anand Math, written by whom? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882. So let's take next question. Who is the first Indian sportsperson to win an individual gold medal Olympic Games? So the correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. So here the correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. In 2008, Beijing Olympic. In 2008, Beijing Olympic, Abhinav Bindra secured the gold medal for India, especially from which event? That is 10 meter 10-meter rifle shooter. 10-meter rifle shooter event. 10-meter rifle shooter event. Abhinav Bindra has created history by securing the first individual gold medal for India in an Olympic Games. So recently, the recently from the that is Olympic Games. Several questions may be asked from this sections as well. So let's take the last question. In which of the following kind of organism is the phenomenon found wherein the female kills the male after copulation? Here copulation is mating. Here copulation means mating. So after mating, a female organism killed kill the male organism after copulation. So the correct answers will be here. The correct answers will be spider. So spider is such an organism who is killed his male partner after copulations. Spider, that is black widow. The spider known as black widow spider. The spider known as what? That is black widow spider. And also some of the organisms like snakes and scorpion as well. Snake and scorpion, these are also included in this category. That is the organism and that kill his male partner after copulation. So these are the important questions from the general knowledge section asked in the 2013 LDA cum copies exam. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe Nevarti DK. Thank you.